Okay, students, so this is the last topic of this chapter, and this is accounting treatment of guarantee of minimum profit to a partner, but in case of loss. Means if in a particular year there is no profit, there is loss, then how will that partner who was guaranteed a minimum share of profit will get his share? So for this, I have taken one example. All of you go through this. There are two partners, X and Y, and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. They admit Z as a new partner for 1/5 share in the profits of the firm. Alright. So Z, the new partner, is guaranteed a minimum profit of rupees 2 lakh. Any deficiency in his share, means any deficiency in this share which has been guaranteed to Z, will be borne by X and Y in the ratio 4:1. Not in this ratio, not equally, but in the ratio 4:1. Now the firm in that particular year went through loss, and losses were rupees 1 lakh. So how we are going to do this question? This I am going to explain you with the help of journal entries. First of all, the entry will be passed for dividing this amount of loss among the three partners. As it will be shared by all the partners, it will be transferred. The loss shared by the partners will be transferred to their capital accounts. So X's capital account, Y's capital account, and Z's capital account will be debited with these amounts to profit and loss account. Why to profit and loss account? Because this is the question of loss. So narration will be loss of 1 lakh divided among the partners. Now how we are dividing this amount of loss? Because this was the ratio between X and Y, and Z was admitted for 1/5 share. So first of all, you take out the share of loss which will be borne by the new partner Z. 1 lakh into 1/5, he was admitted for 1/5 share. So he is already bearing 20,000 as loss out of rupees, how much? Out of rupees 1 lakh. So now from 1 lakh only 80,000 is remaining. 1 lakh minus 20,000 is 80,000. This 80,000 will be borne by X and Y in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. So this is how you will get 48,000 and 32,000. So it will come here like this. Alright. Now the second journal entry will be giving the amount of guarantee to the partner to whom guarantee of profit has been given. Now here in these types of questions, you have to remember one thing, that in case of loss, the partner who has been guaranteed a minimum share of profit, he will get that minimum share plus the loss that he has suffered. Because here you can see, because of him suffering the loss of X and Y has reduced. It is not 1 lakh here, it is 80,000. So besides rupees 2 lakh, which was guaranteed to the new partner Z, this amount of rupees 20,000 will also be given by the remaining partners in the given ratio to the guaranteed partner. So the journal entry will be X's capital account debit, Y's capital account debit to Z's capital account. So here you can see 2,20,000 has been divided in the ratio 4:1, which was given in the question. So here working notice, Z is guaranteed a minimum profit of rupees 2 lakh. Share of loss debited to his capital account is 20,000. So he will be credited with rupees 2,20,000. I hope you all have understood, and for this the narration that you are going to write will be deficiency of Z's share. Z is the new partner of profit met by X and Y in the ratio, it was given in the question, 4:1. So this is the basic concept behind the treatment of guarantee of profit to the partner in case of loss. Alright students, so you have to do till question number 75, and during these holidays you take out your problems. After these holidays, when we will meet, we will first discuss the problems of this chapter, and then we will start with the next chapter, that is goodwill. All the best to all of you.